Bringing the feet together and just shifting weight, letting her know that we've moved our center to one foot, moved our center to the other foot without letting our knees bend to do this, because now we get hips settling and rear end wiggling and all that stuff. So we walk straight into her, straight into her, straight into her, feet together and change weight, convey the weight change, and then you're ready to walk straight into her, straight into her, straight into her again. Then we said, instead of walking straight into her, we could shift again, freeing up that right foot for the guy, walk outside, lead her to go straight back, lead her to go straight back, and then nudge her to the cross. And I'll explain a little bit more about that. So we had walk straight into her, straight into her, straight into her, change the weight, outside, and to the cross. Then we had variations on that where we had ochos. So if I walk outside of her, I go to the cross, and I cross as well. I put my knee behind the other knee, place the ball of the foot down, that's where I want to be. I bring my left side back to aim her hip. I'm going to invite her from my right side. I'm going to pull her forward and swivel the balls of my feet. Aim her hip by giving her my left side. Pull her forward and bring my feet together, and then walk it out. So try that again. So I shift weight, I walk outside, and to the cross. We both cross at the same time. You see I'm flexing down into that, ground myself in. I invite her to swivel, to aim her hip. I invite her forward. I invite her forward, bring my feet together so we both meet at the same time, and then walk it out. That was the forward ocho. Back ocho started as though we were walking to the cross, but I interrupted immediately. I walk outside, I invite her to swivel by sending my left side to her. I step back with her. I collect and invite her to swivel, and then we walk to the cross, and then walk out like nothing ever happened. All right? So now, understanding how the cross works. So, the lady is walking in a straight line back. When she places her weight into that right foot, not to say that the weight is all the way on the right foot, but going to the right foot, it is anchored into position. From here, you're going to send her center diagonally this way, and that is what will lead the cross. Now, when we walk outside from that's the girl's part, from the guy's perspective, when I step outside of her, I step straight forward. Now, as I shift onto that foot, that's what's going to send her back, because I'm moving forward to send her back. And my body, my upper body, my torso, is giving her nudge this way. So I'm leading that way, and my body is going that way, and that's what helps the diagonal to lead her to the cross.